through them bizzles. Get out of there! There ain't nothing over here for you except for all of these birds. Get out of here, you damn hawk! You better be ducking and hiding. These guys are under concrete. They under their own bunker. They got dog bunker. You see, you gotta watch the hawks. Look, there's no one over there. What they do is they distract you in one way off. Belly, stop! Is that rooster giving you problems? Rooster must be trying to give her hell. Yeah, they distract you. Wanna be on south, like flying, kind of like that one right there. And then the other one will come in from this side and take your slot. Take one of your chicken heads. Take your butt on. Get on out of here. Boom! 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 Thing ain't scared as shit. Loud noises my ass. Dogs barking. None of that works. These chickens are crazy, man. Come on, dude. Let's go on. I gotta cover these guys up. Let them cool. Let them try to let the mice warm them up a little bit. Get out of there. Junior, get out of there. Junior. Get on out. Go on. The other way! Get on out of there! Hey, come on with you, buddy. Freak on a leash! No! Juju! That ain't your own little warm little spot. You gonna get picked by the chicken. Oh, that rooster got you, Juju. There's a lot of chicken stuff going down around here. He's like, that's my girl. You stay off that chick. Get up the nettle, guys. Oh, he got his back up now. Move on out there. Move on. He's like, I'm gonna pick out me one of these freedom rings. Dude. Hey. You ready for stud? You ready to bring that stud over? Huh? You ready for that stud, player? Yeah. Come on, Juju. You want to try the female again? Juju! Up, boy. You want to check out this female? Come on. You want to see what you can do? Come on, Juju. Move, dog. Straight to work. Belly, don't be hating. Don't be blocking. Don't be blocking my boy. You just had to get that one out the way. That was an easy go. Don't stand on that, your feet got stuck. Remember you got your feet stuck last time you got mounted. Give yourself a second, Jude. Give yourself a second. Where's that chicken head? Got my chicken head, chicken head, chicken head. It's on point. She ready. She be ready for ya. She ready. She ready. She ready for ya.